Hello students, I'm Mrs. Stevens, and students from Mrs. Bliss's class and Mrs. Stack's class, you may be watching as well. We're going to do a quick experiment or investigation on how distance affects brightness. We've been talking about the sun and the stars. We made a hypothesis about why the sun seems to be brighter than the stars do. So let's take a look. I have a ruler, I have a flashlight, and a wall. So you want to keep your eye right here on the beam, and I'm going to start off with the flashlight being 1 inch away from the wall. So now I've adjusted it, it's 1 inch away, and I'm going to measure the diameter. Diameter is just the distance across straight through the middle. So you notice here I'm starting where the ruler starts, and then I'm measuring across. So you'll notice I have several lines on my ruler, but if I count these major lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, this diameter is about 3 1/8 inches. So if you notice here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I have 8 of those individual lines. So I'm going to make that measurement at 3 1/8 inches. Now I'm going to pull my flashlight back to 2 inches. All right. And I'm going to measure the diameter, the distance across again. And I notice that it is right at 4 1/2 inches. So go ahead and write that down in your notebook. I'm going to keep going to 3 inches. And I notice that now the diameter of this light beam is about 6 1/4 inches. So write that down in your notebook. I'm going to keep going to 4 inches. Now you all take a look at this ruler. Wow, how long is this diameter to you? I'll give you a minute to think. All right, I'm looking at it. There we go. And to me, it is about 7 3/4 inches, or 7 3/4. All right, we're gonna keep rolling. Now look at 5 inches away. Let's measure the diameter straight through the middle. Wow. What do you notice? Do you all notice anything so far? Do you notice any patterns? We've talked about cause and effect, scale. Think about that. So now I see that the diameter is about 9 I'm going to say 3/4 of an inch. All right, and now I'm going to 6 inches. Lining everything up. Okay, I noticed that the diameter of this beam is about 11 inches, right there. So you all listen, I'm gonna pause the experiment right here. If you're doing this at home, keep going. Let me know what you get at 7 inches on up to 12 inches away from your wall. And let me know, do your measurements line up with mine? Is there a difference? Are they the same? I wonder why. Keep thinking, keep making observations, keep writing down your data, and you'll see the rest of the data that I collected in the graphic organizer that I'll send. You all have a great day. Bye.